Hello there. I'm using today DecoArt Premium colors, and this is Quinacridone Red, Hansa Yellow Medium, Cerulean Blue, Yellow Green Light, Quinacridone Violet, and Vermillion Hue. I want to do a very colorful piece, so we're going to do another tree pour, but I'm not going to start with the white, and I don't want to start with the yellow or orange because getting too many with those colors. So let's start, and this time it does have silicone. I'm gonna start with this pink color. It's Quinacridone Red, I believe it is. Colors were listed at the beginning. Let's put the purple, and I'm going to start building some of the white on one of the sides. And remember, the paints have silicone, so they will have some cells. Let's put some blue. By 18 canvas. I'm gonna use this white that I have left to put it around. This is a section that has the white, you see? It has the white, and that's where I'm going to put it in there like that. I'm making huge circles, and then tiny circle, and then no circles at all. And remember, I did not put any white at the end, so let's move it. And it has silicone, so it's gonna make some cells. I'm gonna let it do whatever it wants to do. I don't have any planning here. I'm getting some cells. I'm gonna move it that way and let it flow that way. Let's let it flow this way. Let it come this way. And I don't want to lose that beautiful green. Let's move it this way. Okay. Let's do something and torch this, because it does have silicone. Okay, so I'm gonna use from here whatever I have left. And it's red. Maybe what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a tiny pour in there. So let's see, I want to have green. And yellow. Tiny bit of white. I don't have any white left. Put some orange. Come on, orange. You can do it. Let's put some blue. Blue, you can do it too. Come on. Okay, let's put it in there. Okay. Help a tiny bit. Still have some to fill. One more torching. Let's see how can we fill that section in there. The paint from here. And finish up these sections. Also take from the floor. I don't have too much drippings, so hard when you don't have too much drippings. I think I'm going to torch it one last time. I cleaned the edges and some of the cells are getting bigger. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Please come back for more and watch the other videos. Subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day. This was an experiment of doing a 3-ring pour with silicone. And I love the cells are so different. The shape of the cells. It is so colorful. Look at that one. I like that the shape of that cell is so cute. Okay, so very pretty, very pretty. So very pretty, very colorful and different. Thank you for joining me.